welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you how to make łazanki. Łazanki are like a traditional Polish pasta and cabbage recipe. You use cabbage and sauerkraut in this, and I absolutely love it. Now, typically they come with like these little square noodles, but I couldn't find them in the States. And I just didn't have time to go to a Polish market, so I ended up just using like whatever pasta I had on hand, but that definitely doesn't change the taste of the actual dish, and it's so delicious. I like it because it's really budget friendly, so if you are looking for something that is pretty inexpensive and very easy to make and really stretches, this is it. And of course it's delicious, so you can't go wrong there. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna stop talking because I can talk forever about these. And if you like the video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do that right now and enjoy the video. Bye.